Hi friends, welcome to Jenkins series. So in the till now we discussed about how to create a jobs, how to run shell scripts. So some parameters, how to pass a dynamic parameters to your shell script. Till now we saw, right? So this is the time you need to learn from the GitHub. If you commit something, it will trigger the job automatically in your Jenkins. Okay, how you need to do setup. In order to do that setup, you need to install the few softwares. If you are not installed at the previous time while installing the Jenkins, now this is the time you need to install. What we'll do, our requirement is I will create one Maven project. That Maven project I will commit in the GitHub. Okay, so through a Jenkins job will run that job. After that, if you commit something, it will trigger the job automatic in the Jenkins. This is my requirement. Okay, let me quickly start. So what are the prerequisites means? In this video we'll see how to install and how to set up. We'll see in the next video we'll see how to do creating the Jenkins job. Okay, now we'll try to understand the Maven setup. Okay, Maven is like a build management tool. Like if you want to run your test cases, if you want to generate a jar file, if you want to package, if you want to send at the output a target file, we can use like a Maven or the Gradle. So in this video I'm explaining about the Maven. It's like a build management tool. Okay, if you want to commit this Maven project inside the Git, you need the Git software also. These two commands are related to the Ubuntu machine. If you use a CentOS, Red Hat Linux, or if you're using Amazon EC2, you need to use a YUM. Okay, so instead of apt is specific to for your Git. Okay, now this is the Git software. Sudo apt install git means Git will be installed. This is Maven will be installed. We'll see. I already installed, but for your information I'm giving the commands. Okay, let me open the Google. Okay, let me clear my screen. If you know sudo apt install git will be installed in your system. You no need to do anything. Why? Because I already installed. Okay, if you want to check the version, you can use git version. Spelling mistake, git version. This is 2.25. maybe you can use this one also, no issue at all. You can use hyphen also, double hyphen I think. Okay, this is the git version. Once your git is installed, now you need to install the Maven also. What is the step? Nothing. It's very easy to install Maven and git in Unix operating system. Okay, if you are using the Windows, you need to download from Google, like a git bash also you can download from the Google. You can say git bash download. If you see, if you don't get SCM, you can download as a Windows, Mac OS or the Linux. It will be install the Git software also to you. If you want to install the Maven also, you can install the Maven in the same way. Okay, now if you're using VirtualBox, if you try to install the Maven, you can use Maven. That's it. It will be read the packages. It will be install the Maven in your project. Okay, you can use version if you want to check hyphen version. Okay, if you install the Maven, Java will be automatic, will be installed in the backend. You no need to worry about manually. You no need to install. Okay, it will take some Java path. Okay, Maven it will be run, it needs Java path is mandatory. Okay, I hope you guys are clear as of now. Now this is the time you need to create a Maven project. Okay, now okay now Maven is installed, Git is installed. These two softwares are installation is completed. Now what I need to do, I need to create a Maven project in your system. Okay, in Google you can go for Apache Maven. Just go and navigate. I will provide the URLs in the video section. This is the dashboard of the Apache Maven. So here if you see left side there is a use option. Now you install the Maven in your system. Alright, now if you click on the use, there is a 5 minutes test. Learn how to use Maven in 5 minutes. Click here. You can check the version by using this command, and if you go down, if you want to create a sample project, you can copy this command. Just to copy, you can create the project wherever you want. Okay, just copy this command. Even in the Windows also you can download, like Maven download for Windows. Click Apache download manual. If you go here, there is a binary archive Maven. You can download this part also. 3.6.3. you for the Windows you can download. You need to set the path till bin folder in your environment settings. Okay, this is for the Windows. And just to copy here, let me go to my virtual machine. Okay, here what I will do, my current path is Java Express. What I will do, I will create one directory. I will create Jenkins underscore Maven underscore project. Okay, now cd, let me go inside my directory. Okay, clear ls command. So nothing is there in my system now. What I will do, just simply type. Okay, now just make it enter. What it will do, it will create a project, it will be download the jar files, everything it will be download in this folder. Now the build is success. It will take few time initially if you use the first time. So if you make it ls command, there is a app generated my hyphen app. Okay, if you go for cd my app ls. Okay, pom.xml and source. This pom.xml is responsible to download all the jar files from the Maven repository to your local repository. Okay, all dependencies will be there. Now your project is downloaded. Okay, this is the first step. What you done, you created a project. Inside this project, if you want to clean with existing, you need to use is a life cycle goals of your Maven. Let me clear my screen. To make it clear, ambient clean means it will delete all existing jar files. Okay, now I need to test ambient test. If I make it here, what will happen, it will run all the test cases. Once these two steps are completed, then you need to target file, jar file, you need to output, you need to get it. What you will do, it is a ambient package. If you see, it will generate one output file. These are all like a manual steps till now. These are all steps we can do automate through the Jenkins project. Okay, I hope till here you guys understood. Just go and download the git and just install the Maven and run these commands. I hope till now you guys are clear. In the next section, what we'll do, we'll commit these all things inside in your git repository. Then we can create our Jenkins job. I hope you guys are clear. If you feel any difficulty, please leave your comments in the video section. Thank you guys.